Hi, I'm Lucy from NXT Hardware Bathrooms, the biggest bathroom showroom in Hartlepool. But today I'm out in the wild looking at a real life refurb from Derek at NE Refurbs. So if you're currently staring at tired old tiles or that drippy trap, then please pay attention because this is going to give you some serious inspiration. So let's kick things off with this gorgeous 650ml white high gloss vanity unit. The high gloss makes this room feel massive, and we've paired it with a G4K mono basin mixer. Look at this classic 1700x700 round single-ended bath, the absolute epitome of comfort. But hey, if you're a grab and go morning person, then you're going to love this shower setup. We've squeezed maximum style into a nice space. So we've gone for a 900x900 shower tray with a 900 end panel and a 900x4 door. But if you want to see the real reason I love this shower so much, the thermostatic dream drenched shower in chrome. So you've got your handset, which is adjustable, and a dream drenched shower head. Down here we can control the temperature and whether you want it off and on, or the handset or the drencher. Now let's talk about the best part of this entire room, the wall panels. So we've gone for these high gloss light grey fusion wall panels. They're 900mm wide, be 2.4 metres high, and we're never scrubbing grout again. They're fully waterproof, 10mm thick, and they install using a tongue and groove method, which makes it perfect for first time installers. For the floor, we went with SPC waterproof flooring. It's tough as nails, it feels fantastic underfoot, and it pairs beautifully with this clamp. Of course, you can buy the best gear in the world, but you need a pro to put it all together, like Derek from NE Refurbs. So if you're looking for a reputable fitter or a brand new bathroom, then come along and see me at Unit 2, 110 Whitby Street South in Hartlepool, TS247LP, or give me a call on 01429 869 838, and I'll be happy to help with whatever questions you've got.